Good question. Hey guys, I have many fears, but one of them is fireworks. I thought this would be a good idea because it's the 4th of July, and it's basically a 4th of July topic. Anyways, I'm not trying to disrespect America, but it's just so loud. I mean, they're beautiful and cute and all, but then the noise is you just summon Satan himself, and it's just so loud. You're just having it's just having a demon scream at you. Anyways, I actually have a story why I'm scared of fireworks, and here it is now. So one. Well, this is awkward. So we made a campfire, and we weren't camping. We were just.
It was my second time casting that spell.
Well, we were roasting marshmallows, and my older cousins thought we're about to do a huge fireworks, so they put it up and they lit it, and then and like that. I was just legit crying because it went right up against my back. If they moved it, the logs and stuff, a few inches back, then I would probably die. I would probably burn up and die. My childhood was just scarred just because of that. Well, that was just a terrible experience. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video that I made about my fear of fireworks. Now, I just wanted to explain something. I'm fine inside, but outside, oh no. I just made a video, and we were outside, and I did not take it too well. No. I was just screaming. Seriously, I'm literally scared of fireworks. I mean, I thought I was brave enough, but that was a huge nope. But right now, I'm inside, I'm just chilling, and yeah. Anyways, have a happy 4th of July. Bye.